It's July reset time! Hi guys, my name is Eliza and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm filming the ultimate mid-year reset that I talked about in my previous video, where I talked about the fact that we have not lost this year even though 6 months have already passed by and maybe we haven't achieved everything on our vision board. That's why today I'm filming that July reset to step inside that girl era and start achieving my goals. This location for the camera is actually so nice. I've never thought of it before to put it on the shelf, but the sunlight is so beautiful. But in my previous video, I told the fact that we need to take a step at a time and not rush things into our new routine to not crash and actually achieve something. So one thing that I'm going to be starting next week, starting tomorrow, is going to the gym. I'm going to be going to the gym 3 times a week with my parents, and I'm actually pretty excited because that's like a new step. I have been to the gym before, but it was not like a regular schedule, weekly ones. But now I'm gonna be doing that for a month and I will see if I like it or not, because if you know me, I love home workouts. I'm gonna be still continuing them on the days where I'm not going to the gym. And of course, my beloved reset starts with cleaning, but I'm gonna show just parts of it because it's starting to get boring that in every single video that is like reset or routine, I'm cleaning up. Every time I film, I'm cleaning, but I do not clean every day. I'm not a perfectionist at all, but since it's Sunday and I'm doing July reset, I have to clean my guinea pigs, change the sheets, and just tidy things up. And of course, your girl is out of the pretty top because I'm cleaning and I do not want to smudge my new top. Actually, I bought it a lot of months ago, but it was like my first time actually wearing it. But now, I'm gonna put my hair in a claw clip, and actually guys, yesterday I got a little trim at the ends, and I did a blowout, I did heatless curls. I haven't done them in a while, so that was a little summer milestone, and I'm actually happy how it turned out. Cutting my ends was on my list for 2 years. I think I cut my hair 2 years and some months ago. So, finally did it. So here I have the only merch that I got from the Xoxo concert. So these are the paper hearts with unity on them, a star, and the blue heart, and I absolutely love how it looks on the cage. Couple of hours later, and the room is finally clean, changed the sheets, cleaned off the dust, and most importantly, guinea pigs are clean too. I'm gonna quickly show you guys one thing, but right now, I'm gonna have the most relaxing bubble bath. I'm gonna take my book, read. It's gonna be wonderful. This is like an essential for a reset. You know what time of the reset it is. Of course, if I'm sitting at my desk, it is journaling time. It is probably my favorite part of all of the resets. So let me get out my beloved journal. Here it is. I feel like you see this possibly in every video that I show, but I'm gonna open up a page and we're gonna journal a little bit about what we wanna do starting from now, starting from July in this reset. So the first thing I want you to write down, I'm gonna write it down a little bit later after I finish talking. Write down something that made you not follow your goals and being in a slump. So that might be, for example, being always tired, having no time, bad time management, being busy at work or school, etc. Write that down and see what you can do from now on to actually manage to stay consistent. And the next thing we're gonna write down is what we're gonna do from now on to not be in the same position. So it's a reset and we're starting today. It could be literally whatever, doing workouts every single day, going on for walks. I know I give almost the same examples in every situation, but I guess that is something that associates with me. That's why I'm selling those examples, but you know you, and yeah, write that down. Write down all of those goals and pick 1 to 3 to work on from now on. So maybe for the first week you try only one of them. So consistently trying to get 10k steps every day, so in the evening is going out for walks. 20-minute walk, 30-minute walk. And the second week you can try to add something new. It's the second day, and another thing that I want to try to do more, starting from now, is making some healthy bowls. I try to make an ice cream bowl, but it's not like an ice cream. It is more like the smoothie bowl. It reminds me of acai bowls, just without acai, but let's try it together. Okay, cheers. Post gym, I'm feeling super duper good, and I'm gonna keep this routine up. So tomorrow I'm doing home Pilates. After tomorrow, another gym day. And then on Thursday, I'm planning to, I look like an egg, but I'm really hoping to go on a run alone. That is going to be like such a step out of my comfort zone, because usually I went with my friend, but she kind of broke her pinky toe. So that is going to be a big achievement. And that thing, guys, it's actually on my vision board to go running alone. So hopefully I will get myself together and do that. But this reset routine has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed it. But if you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Ella Star, and see you in the next video. Bye!